Oh yes, my people, I throw plenty salute give una when take una ear take kiss this Obodo podcast. This one now Oshobe the speaker podcast. And my name never change. I still remain Oshobe PSC, Primary School Certificate, GCE, General Certified Entertainer, MSc, Master of Situation and Circumstances, EFCC, the one people they fear pass, Economic and Financial Crime Consultant. And by the grace of God, the only man whenever travel go Jerusalem but get JP, Jesus speaking. How na dey country people go guides? And today, by the grace of God, you know say we get wetin we dey call waka and see. That one they call am for their own side, oversight function. For our side, for Oshobe the speaker, we dey call our own waka and see. Wetin we see, you know say we go always tell una. And then say person when he do good, you go tell am say thank you so that he go do more. Appreciation an application for more. And so therefore we won't talk about one ogbonge agency. We dey see agency yes, when we dey do our waka and see function, we dey see agencies when they work. But this one we comot cap and gele throway twale give them sake of the work when dem dey do. This agency na agency when e don place for the heart of the governor say I love you, carry go. Wetin be the name of this agency? Plenty people go want to know. The name of this agency na that they call Kogi State Community and Social Development Agency. Yes, this agency na the agency when Baba governor, the governor of Kogi State, he come put the oga kpatakpata when they call Chief Dauda Momoh to torchlight the affairs of that agency. The Kogi State Community and Social Development Agency, it don dey instrumental to cement Governor Usman Ododo's legacy as a wetin oyibo dey call people-centric leadership. That one na big grammar be. Yes, the work when Governor Ododo dey do, e don tanda for the heart of people as a result of the work when the oga kpatakpata when dey Kogi State Community and Social Development Agency dey do for there. So the people when e dey grassroots, none of them dey talk bad at all because of the good work when the agency they don do. Through this agency, that is to say Kogi State Community and Social Development Agency, we don see wetin dem dey call surge for community development project barakete jabrata for inside community. Because of this agency, Governor Ododo in vision na to see say everybody enjoy the dividend of democracy. And so therefore this agency e dey do exactly wetin the governor get for mind. And so therefore we wan salute them. The legacy of these people when dem dey talk so, e dey for ground. Everybody dey take their two nakedness eye dey see am. And so therefore everybody, plus including you plus you plus you, dey no go stop to make sure say this agency tanda to do their work willingly. The agency then get the initiative to make sure say electrification project jabrata for inside our local rural communities, plus including clean water. You know say water, they no dey take am dey play. They no just dey ensure say people dey village say they go dey waka dey go stream dey go fetch water. No. Dem make sure say dem put solar borehole for most of the communities to get clean water. Governor Ododo, he dey talk say yes wetin dey for the urban cities when people go dey run dey go, so tey dem go post teachers go rural communities, dem no go gree go because dem say the facilities wey dey for inside urban e no dey village. Right now everybody, teachers, workers, dem dey stay village dey do their work because e don make sure say through Kogi State Community and Social Development Agency, many people don dey truly dey go villages dey go dey do their work willingly. So as a result of that, e don reduce poverty and inequality. E don improve health and education. E don increase economic opportunities. As a result, say many people dey go rural communities dey go do business. E don make sure say better infrastructure jabrata for our communities. The benefit of Governor Usman Ododo Rural Community Development Initiative, e dey everywhere. People dey take their two nakedness eyes dey see am, as e don improve the quality of life, economic empowerment, increase food security, enhance infrastructure. E don do wetin oyibo dey call social inclusion, environmental sustainability. Where erosion dey carry, dem dey make sure say dem dey do am so that erosion no go happen. Dey carry people plus including our land dey go. Empowerment for communities jabrata. Governor Ododo Community Development Initiative, e don promote wetin oyibo dey call social cohesion. Everybody dey live together. E don reduce inequality and marginalization, and e don foster ownership, accountability and self-reliance, plus including say everybody for inside community dey live as one. The administration of Ododo na wetin oyibo dey call people-centric administration, as e dey make sure say e dey do everything to make sure say dem dey promote community-led development. We no go miss word o, as we dey let country people dey know say under the leadership of the general manager, Kogi State Community and Social Development Agency, wey im name tanda as Chief Dauda Momoh, so far dem don make sure say plenty quality programs and infrastructure, plus including different things wey dey make life dey waka, e don dey for inside our communities. And so therefore, we dey comot cap, we dey comot gele, dey salute Chief Momoh Dauda when oga kpatakpata, the governor of Kogi State, Alhaji Usman Ododo, put to dey torchlight the affairs of Kogi State Community and Social Development Agency. And as una know, as we dey do our waka and see function, if you do well, we go give you kudos. If you no do well, we go take small thing tell you say you no dey try o, but you still get room to take do wetin, to take try willingly. So therefore, we salute the government of Usman Ododo, and we still salute the government and leadership of Chief Dauda Momoh. We say as you dey do and dey go so, na Baba God go give you wisdom. Baba God go protect you to do wetin you dey do, to touch the lives of Kogites, and in fact our people wey dey for the rural communities, because as you dey do am, na so dem dey happy, and na so dem go dey do wetin, dem dey embrace the leadership of Alhaji Usman Ododo, the flower boy. Because our own, when we do our waka and see function, wetin we see, we go talk am, because na wetin we dey talk, His Excellency dey here to take dey do wetin, to take dey work and dey improve in the governance of Kogi State. Make una no stop to dey do the good thing. You when dey do the good thing, continue. And another thing wey we go talk for Oshobe the speaker be say, all these projects when they don do for community, na your own project. No allow any jankoliko person destroy am. No allow disunity and say I no dey for your party, we go scatter the thing when they dey do, so that they no go take get good report. If you do that one, na wetin we dey call I do man do body. I do man do body. If you scatter am, you say you no go make the person get good report, you when you wan use am, how you see yourself? I do man do body. Make we join hand together, protect government property, because as you dey protect am, na yourself na you dey do. Make we leave the matter for here today. My name never change, Honorable Amusement Park Oshobe, and this one na the Oshobe podcast. Una do.